Welcome to my channel. I'm over here at Berkeley Hyundai. It's in White Bear, Minnesota. I'm gonna show you a brand new vehicle here by Hyundai. I don't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna show you in a second. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, thank you so much for visiting. As you can see, there's snow everywhere because it's winter and it's been super cold, up to like 30 below zero. But today it feels good. I don't even have gloves on. Again, if this is the first time, you know what to do. Smash that button, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. You can leave a comment, but be kind, all right? And if you're already a subscriber, I appreciate your kindness and support. Continue supporting us, all right? Okay, I'm gonna show you. It's not gonna be a review or just walk around and stuff because it doesn't have the keys in. It's outside here. All right, let's do it. This is the brand new Hyundai pickup truck. It's a small truck and I don't even know what the name is, but I'm gonna find out and I'll let you know. I think one of my friend who's a salesperson told me it's unlocked, so I'm gonna check the door, see if it's locked or unlocked. And you can see it's unlocked, but I wouldn't be able to show much because it doesn't have a key in, so I can't show you the gauge cluster and talk about it. But I'll just give you an overall overview of what I'm looking at and how it feels to sit in there. So you can see it's a pickup truck with 4 doors, big tires. Looks pretty nice. It has a bed here. Of course there's snow in it. I don't know if it opens. There's a camera for backing up here. Let me see if this opens. Yeah. That opens and it has to do these two, I don't know, wires or whatever to stop it from falling all the way down. It's decent size. It's a small, of course, pickup truck. And I think you have storage over there, 2 of them. And you also have storage on the other side over here. And I think this up here is where you can tie your stuff with a rope so they don't roll over everywhere. So that's a bed. I think that's what they call them for pickup trucks. And that's the back of it. You have 2 steps here, or a place you can step on to climb up. There's this here, and also, actually, there are several. There's this one here at the bottom, and there's one up here too, and of course this. So it has 3 steps where you can step to climb up. That's a profile from the side. That's what it looks like. Has big tires. I don't know how many inches. I think it's 18 inches. And I'll tell you in a second how much it costs. That's a dealership, Hyundai. It's called Berkeley. Let's check the sitting in the back here for passengers. Before I do that, it's called Santa Cruz SEL. It's an all-wheel drive. And let's see how much it is. It's 30,000 right there. So there's a back. You have a cup holder right there. It's a cup holder. You roll down the window. Of course nothing is working right now because there are no keys in it. It has a carpet cover over there, but they're in a plastic bag. And this seat, driver seat, is pushed all the way back. I'm gonna try to sit in and see how I fit. Actually, when I close the door, it sounds solid. Listen to this. Nope. One more time. Yeah, it sounds nice. I'm sitting in the back here, and the front seat, this driver's seat, is all the way back, and I still can fit back here. I'm 5'8", and you can see I still have probably an inch or two, and it doesn't feel claustrophobic back here. It feels pretty good. They have a back window, has headrests, and it sits 3 people back here. So that's me sitting in the back here. You can see it has enough headroom even back here. I'm 5'8", and there is so much space between my head and the roof. So it's pretty big for 4 people, 4 passengers. But in the middle here, this middle seat doesn't fall down. So it's just a bench in the back here. All right. The only problem is it doesn't have any plugs in back here. Like, you can't charge your phone or anything. Just huge plastic armrest over here. And of course, it has 2 cup holders in the back here. There's that one on that side. And there's also this cup holder on this other side. And a small pocket here. You can stick in some Skittles or something, snack, on both sides. Now I'm gonna go sit in front on the driver's seat over there. So I'm gonna get out. The door doesn't open too wide, but it's fine. And it's telling you do not put hot stuff in there. No, otherwise it might spill and burn you. Now I'm gonna sit over here, the driver's side. I like the way the door sounds when you close the doors. Listen to this. It sounds solid. It's a well put together vehicle. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the gauge cluster or the display screen over here because it doesn't have the keys in here. But you can see over here, it has driver's lane assist, this little button right there. And you can make phone calls. I'm not sure what the star is for. And I believe that's for Bluetooth. And you can change different modes. And I'm not sure what that clock means over there. But this might be like your contact list or something. And you can adjust the steering here on the side. You have this thing, you push it down, it drops, and then you can move this down or you can move it up. There. To hold it in place, you just push this thing back up. There. Now the steering is way up. Alright, over here you got 2 chargers, USB chargers, one to the left and one to the right over there. And you also have a 12 volt, 180 watts. It looks like a cigarette lighter, but you can also charge something there. And over here you have different drive modes. You have the lock for diff, it's called differential diff lock. And you have, I think, steep hill assist. If you're going down a steep hill, you can push that and then you don't have to step on the brakes. It will just help you drive without you stepping on the brakes. And you can let the gas pedal go also at the same time. And it got some heated seats. You can see the driver and the passenger over here. But the back seats are not heated. When you push this button, it opens the storage, but not all the way. You have to push it. I mean, you can see it's pretty deep. You can put a bunch of things in there. Well, I guess that's about it. There isn't much else, and 2 cup holders over here in front, and it has very nice view too. The front, the side, but the back window over there to the right, the driver wouldn't have a very good view because of that headrest from the passenger. But it looks nice, and it's not leather, it's just cloth, and a lot of plastic too everywhere. It's plastic, hard plastic everywhere. It's a little soft. Okay, that's my, what do we call it, walk around, or just a review of 2022 Santa Cruz Hyundai pickup truck. All right, once again, and you can see big gauge clusters over here. I mean buttons for the heat, for cooling. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. 2022 Santa Cruz. All right, that's Santa Cruz 2022, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.